Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're bundled up and ready for the chill of 2025 winters, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to turn on your Honeywell heater. Whether it's a new model or an upgrade, getting this right means cozy vibes without the hassle. Let's jump right in. First things first, safety is key. Before you start, make sure your heater is in a well-ventilated area and that there are no flammable materials nearby. Got that? Great. Now, locate the power source. Most Honeywell heaters from 2025 have a simple plug-in design, so plug it into a grounded outlet. If it's a hardwired model, ensure the circuit breaker is on. Next, find the control panel. It's usually on the front or top of the unit. Press the power button. It might be labeled as on, off, or have a simple icon. Once it's on, you'll see a display light up. Now, set your desired temperature. Use the up and down arrows to adjust it. Aim for 68 to 72 degrees Fahrenheit to stay comfortable without overworking the heater. Don't forget to select the right mode. Honeywell heaters often have options like heat, fan, or auto. For basic use, choose heat and let it run. If your model has smart features, you might connect it to an app for remote control, super convenient for those lazy days. After a few minutes, feel the warm air flowing out. If nothing happens, double-check the thermostat settings or filters. A clogged filter can block airflow. And always keep an eye on it during the first use. There you have it. That's how you get your Honeywell heater up and running in no time. If you run into any issues, check the user manual or contact Honeywell support. Thanks for watching and stay warm. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more home tips. See you next time.